In this video, I'll guide you through how to select a courier tip on Wolt. This is a straightforward process that enhances your delivery experience by allowing you to appreciate your courier's efforts. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Wolt app on your device. Once you're in, go ahead and choose a restaurant that tickles your taste buds. Browse through the menu, add your favorite items to the cart, and once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to move on to the next step. Now that your cart is ready, tap on View Order or navigate directly to your cart. Here, you'll see a detailed overview of your selected items. Ensure everything looks good before proceeding. Once you've double-checked your order, tap on Checkout to move forward. On the checkout page, you'll notice various sections, and one of them is the Courier Tip section. Scroll down until you find it. This is where you can express your appreciation for the courier. You'll see a list of suggested tip amounts. These are quick options if you want to tip a standard amount. However, if you'd like to offer a different amount, tap on Other to enter a custom tip. This flexibility allows you to tip according to your preference or the complexity of the delivery. After selecting your tip, confirm your order by following the on-screen prompts and proceed to complete the payment. Keep in mind that the courier will receive your tip only after the delivery is completed, ensuring they get credited for their excellent service. And there you have it. That's how to select a courier tip on Wolt. By following these steps, you not only enhance your experience but also support your courier. Thank you for watching and happy ordering.